I've been getting this question yokuthi why abantu bomoya kuyifebe. Why abantu bomoya bathanda amadoda bathanda abafazi. 98.9, let me say 99.9% yabantu bomoya ifebe bonke. Batho ba moya 99.9 kilifebe. Kapa kere disangoma 99.9 kilifebe kaofela. Disangoma di le 100 o sa febeng ba ithu ka rabona. Disangoma ha di le 200 ba sa febeng ba i4. Disangoma ki di febe. Disangoma di a feba. O di shebe meketing ya tsona di a feba. Di a feberizer. Di a febala, di go di a febelana. Di etsa mehlolo. You can attest. Izangoma anye uzu kuthiwa isangoma siyashadwa. I'm sure lokho kwenzeka manje kunethe imvula enye emihlolo. Disangoma di rata banna. Sa bandi rata basadi. Ke bua disangoma. So the question is, Dr. Odi, why disangoma le difebe? Why disangoma di rata multiple sex partners? First and foremost, muntu isangoma muntu suwe ngene imimoya yabantu abangasekho. I want to explain this today to you. Umuntu suwe uyisangoma usuke ngene imimoya yabantu abashonile, abantu ekuthi baningi kakhulu. Isangoma sikwazi ukungena imimoya yabantu abayi200 A1. Singene imimoya yabantu abayi300 Ali1. Omunye angene imimoya yabantu abayi400 A1. And labo bantu laba bonke bafuna ukuphila impilo zabo through lo muntu lo oyi1. They all want to phila impilo bophelo ba bona motho ngayi1. Kaofela bona batla o phila ba batla o phila maphelo a bona motho ngoyi1. O ha wena o rata mosadi o bona ba o bontsha mosadi o ba o bontshe mosadi o ba o bontshe mosadi o ba o bontshe mosadi o. Ha ile mosadi a rate monna o 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 a rate monna o. So that's the main reason yokuthi why izangoma zifeba kangaka. Why izangoma why labantu bakamoya bathanda amadoda kangaka. Akina taba ka nrwa ka mogho batlang ka teng ka bua ntho batlang o ibua. Ha wena o nrwa ka fela o tshoko se febe lwena. Lwena o se febe. Lwena o se febe. Ha o nrwa ka lwena o se febe. Lokobele ya hao ke se febe. O se febe. Ha o nrwa ka fela because of tla o buela bo febe hobane le se febe. Disangoma di a feba. Di a feba. Moketing ba feba. Ha? Disangoma batho ba moya ba feba. Bo feba bona be a tshosa. Ka se lengwa ra ke tsebeng ka reng wena. Batho ba moya ba feba. Le baka ko bane ba kene ke memoya e mengata. So o tlametse o ithute e controller. Ha moya e o sa control o tlo ithola o le under serious chronic diseases. O tshwere ke di-cancers, o tshwere ke ding ka lebaka la obane wena o feba. Disangoma di a feba. A ke batla o thetsa, a ke batla o jwetsa maka, mara disangoma di febiswa ke moya ya badimo ba bangata mmeleng wa bona. You should learn on how you control. If you don't control yourself, you allow madlozi akini ukuthi adlale phezulu ikhanda lakho, believe you me, uzozithola udliwa ngapha nangapha 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 nangapha. Uyothola ushawa ngapha nangapha 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 nangapha. Zama ukuzicontrol, ungayivumeli lento le ngoba uyomosha impilo yakho.
Hello there you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. Guys, Dr. Hoti did this video whereby he asked why does Sangoma go sleeping around you guys, and He says the reason why is because sangomas are controlled, by a lot of spirits. He says that you'd find that one sangoma has over 10, 20, 100, or 50, up to 500 spirits that are within that person, and all of those spirits have their own demand. He says that you'd find that one particular spirit demand a certain lady, the other one demands this lady, or the other one demands that man, and the other one demands that man. You find sangomas sleeping around. He says that they sleep around even go, those manchomani things, those gathering of theirs, malopo kind of vibes. He says that they sleep around even there. He says that's the reason why, because of the spirits that are controlling them. He says that as a sangoma, if you do not have self-control, if you're not going to be able to control the spirits that are controlling you, then you'd find yourself with a lot of sickness and illnesses. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.